How to make other people sell for you. What can you do in order to maximize the chances of running a successful partner channel? What are the tips for running a successful partner channel? And what are the tools that you can use, that you can leverage in order to maximize your chances of success? In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 5 different tricks for successfully running a partner channel. Trick number 1, figure out what type of partner channel you are aiming to have. There are basically 3 different types of partner channels that you can utilize. The first ones are resellers. So resellers are purchasing a company's products or services with the intention of selling them to their own customer base. They often add value by bundling these products with some of their services, offering some sort of a customization or support. This kind of partnership can be great when you are aiming to expand to new regions or areas. The second type of partner channel is to have affiliates. Affiliates promote a company's product or services through their platforms such as websites, blogs, or social media channels, in exchange for a commission on sales of these products or leads generated from referrals. These type of partnership channels are super effective when it comes to increasing brand awareness and reaching potential customers in niche markets. The third type of partners are referral partners. They oftentimes recommend a company's products or services to their network in exchange for rewards or commissions. But unlike affiliates, referral partners often have a direct personal relationships with referrals, such as business advisors, consultants, or existing customers. And this type of partnership can be great to leverage trust-based, already established relationships for the benefit of your business. And the benefit, of course, is obvious. That is to gain qualified, warm, and interesting leads. The second trick to running a successful partner channel is to have incentives. In order to motivate people to sell your products, you should carefully think about how are you going to motivate them. Depending on the type of partnerships, you can also introduce different tiers of partnerships, like for example, bronze, silver, and gold, that will entitle partners to get more commission, to get better pricing for the product, or to get access to more prominent customers and bigger opportunities. And before I will move to the next trick, make sure to subscribe to our channel if this video is helpful. Trick number 3 is identify the challenges. The challenges, like with any other area of business, are inevitable and they will appear. So in order to maximize your chances of success, you should probably look ahead and think about possible mitigation strategies that will help you avoid trouble. A couple of areas that I recommend looking into is for sure deal reservation. If you now have your own existing sales force, you should definitely consider introducing a system of deal reservation prior to introducing a partner channel. Why? Because most likely your salespeople will at some point in time come across the same opportunities as your partners. In order to avoid conflicts or mitigate some of the backlash that this may cause from your partner channel or from your internal department, you should have a deal reservation system that will be clear, transparent, and very fair to both parties. Another important aspect here is to create valuable materials for your partners, both on marketing end, like product presentations, case studies, leaflets, webinar scenarios, newsletter templates, and so on and so forth, as well as the product-oriented FAQs and things. If there are things that your current workforce is coming across while implementing solutions or your products in the customer environment, you should definitely plan ahead and prepare certain demos, how-tos, and other types of materials that can help dealing with those challenges to your partner channel, and at the same time will save you time and money for managing those things as they will occur. Trick number 4 is to prepare your business for introducing a new channel, both on process end and on organization end. Think about things like when the commission is going to be paid, How? What is the time frame of you getting the money and then paying the money to your partners? How will you motivate those partners? Will there be a person inside of your organization that will manage the channel, or you plan to do this by yourself? How do you plan to onboard new partners? Can anyone apply, or only people with specific expertise, with specific knowledge, or with the expertise that is necessary to introduce your product to a certain business? These are all very important questions that you should answer ahead of time. And trick number 5 for running a successful partner channel is to, of course, introduce some goals and key performance indicators. So when your partner channel is going to be successful, what are the criteria of this success? If the things will go south, when are you going to pull the plug and why? And who's going to be responsible for which area of the partner channel? So these are the 5 tricks for running a successful partner channel. If this video was anyhow helpful to you, please do subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comment section down below what else would you like me to cover in the future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.